Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all safe and well. So I have been to B&M for the first time in months. I was so excited to be in there. I ran out of a few essential cleaning bits. I needed to pick some things up for Lily, and of course I was in there. I went around the home section and had a browse, and they had some really nice things in. So I have got a huge haul for you. 3 bags worth. I've spent quite a bit of dough in there, but you know what, it's like 3 months of saving up ready to do that first shop. So I really hope you enjoy this haul. Let's get straight on into it. So I'm just going to pick things out at random. So the first item that I picked up was this lovely bath sheet. So it's in greys and white. So as you know, all of our house is greys. My bath towels are pink and purple at the moment, and they don't really go in the bathroom. So I wanted something that when it's hanging up to dry would look really nice still in there. And this was only £9.99, which is really good because it is super soft. It's really big, so it's 1 metre by 1.5 metres. So yeah, that's just a really beautiful soft towel. The next thing I picked up was this 4-pack of Huggies. I've got a little girl who's 10 months old, so we get through wipes like nobody's business. And these were £3.49. Oh, these are our favourite as well, because when you pull the wipe out, like the second wipe doesn't come out with it. It's things like that. It's the small things when you've got a baby that really make a difference. So these are some of our favourite branded ones. The next item that I picked up was this Ultimate Blends by Garnier shampoo. So this is a sleek restorer, and it's coconut oil and cocoa butter, and apparently it smooths and nourishes dry frizzy hair. So my natural hair texture is very curly, it's very coarse, so anything that can help I will try and use. And I have used this before and it is nice. So yeah, I picked that up for £1.99, and I swear I've got the conditioner of that as well somewhere else in these other bags. I then picked up these 2 books for my little girl. So Peppa the Pig, she's only 10 months old, but she can definitely recognise Peppa. If I give her an option of books, she'll always pick Peppa out. And what's great about these books is they are the lift the flap versions, and she likes books that are interactive at the moment. So that was £2.99. And I also picked up her That's Not My Baby book. So she's got the That's Not My Fox, and she just loves to feel all the different textures. And these are great because they're not too long, and the pages are really easy for her to turn. So if you have a little one, I would super recommend getting some books like this. And for £2.99 each, not bad at all, because on the back of this one it says it should be £6.99, and this one should be £6.99 too. So that is an absolute bargain. The next item that I picked up was this gorgeous grey rug. Now if you've seen any of my videos before, or if you watched my last favourites video, you'll know I've got the pink version of this in my daughter's nursery. And these rugs, oh look, you can even see my handprint on it. Oh, they're so soft, and they are so reasonably priced. So this is £9.99. It is the small one, which is 60 by 110 centimetres, and my plan for this is to go by our bed because I may or may not have spilled all my makeup over the cream carpet, and it just looks a little bit just doesn't look very nice. So I'm hoping I put this down and it will make it look really nice again. Also, it will just be nice to scoot out of bed in the morning and put my feet onto something so lovely and soft. So yeah, for £9.99 you really cannot go wrong. And then just a couple of boring bits, some food for Dottie, and then some shower gel for my husband. So this is the Lynx Excite in crisp coconut and black pepper scent, and it's in the Wake Up, quite like the bottle actually, with the purple branding. That's nice. And this was £1.49. Do you know what? I don't think I smelled it when I was in the shop. Oh, it's good anyway. It is good. So yeah, £1.49. The next item I picked up was this cheese grater. This was £2.99. It's quite nice actually. It's a grey one with obviously where you grate it, and then the cheese falls into here, or vegetables depending on what you're doing. It's got 2 graters, so it's got the smaller one if you're grating like carrots or something like that, and then obviously the bigger one for if you're doing cheese. This was the only grater that they had, and I've actually never used one of these before. I normally use the standing up block ones, but I thought, well, why not give it a go for £2.99, and it matches the kitchen too. I then picked up this Nescafe Azera coffee Americano. This is my husband's favourite coffee, and I do have to admit it is really good. I can't really drink coffee, but I will make an exception with this with a little bit of whipped cream on. amazing. And this was £2.99 in B&M, which I believe is a really good price. I think in normal supermarkets it can be around the £5 mark. So if you like your coffee, especially if you like this one, definitely go into B&M because it's so much cheaper. I also picked myself some deodorant up. This is the Dove Moisturising Cream Floral Touch. You know I'm a massive fan of Dove, and that was £1.49, and it's quite a big bottle as well, so pick that up. I also picked up these Isla Times Beauty Gloss Lashes in Silky, and they look quite nice. They look really natural. I find sometimes in the bargain shops the lashes are so dramatic, and I'm not really a dramatic sort of lash wearer. I'm sort of, because I'm a natural makeup wearer, if I put on a dramatic lash I'll just look crazy, and I can't do my makeup that good to make it look good. So yeah, I normally just go for a natural lash. I've never actually tried Isla, so these are branded, and if you watch my Amazon video you'll know I bought some single lashes because I was going to try those out, because I am terrible at putting eyelashes on, but I have found myself a little hack so that that inner bit finally sticks down now. But yeah, so I thought I'd just give those a go because I'm hoping with them being branded they're going to be easier to put on, and those were £2.50, so they're a little bit more expensive than I've ever paid for a lash, because normally I either get them off Amazon and they're less than £1 for a pair of lashes, or I get them from Primark and they're £1 for lashes. And this one does come with the glue too, so yeah, I'm going to give those a go. I'll let you know if they're any good. Oh, here's the conditioner that goes with the shampoo. Again, I think that was £1.99. So yeah, I do like to have matching shampoo and conditioner. I don't know why, but I just do, and I think it looks good in the bathroom. I then picked up these microfiber cloths for £2. Mine have got to the point where I've just washed them so much that they just don't clean the same, do they? Do you know when they've been through the wash that many times? I feel like sometimes they create more dust and muck than you're getting up. So I just thought I'd pick some more up, and to be honest I was totally taken in by the print of these. So this one's got all flowers on it. It's like they've got like a beautiful sage one, a white one, there's like a green one with flowers on it there, there's a pale pink one, and there's like a pale peachy one with white flowers on too. I thought for £2, a 6-pack of such a pretty cloth isn't too bad at all, and anything to get me motivated to do a bit of cleaning I don't mind spending a little bit of money on. I also picked up these Lenore fragrance beads that you chuck in your wash. I don't use these with every wash because they're far too expensive to do that, but I feel like it's nice when you're doing your towels or your bedding and you just want them to smell extra fresh. It's just really nice to put a cap full of these in. I know people put them in like pouches and pop them in their cushions as well. I really want to get some organza bags off Amazon so I can also put them in the car so they smell really nice. And again, I was totally taken in by this packaging because look at it, it's gorgeous. It's in the scent Ruby Jasmine, and these were £2.99. The next things that I picked up are so random. They're these chenille stems and also these pom-poms. Now when you've got a baby and you just want 5 minutes to just chill out, you do anything to get that. So these are just over £1, and my plan is to put these into like plastic bottles and things so that when she shakes the bottle like the pom-poms will move around. And I feel like when I'm dishing up that might just keep her quiet long enough, because she's a hungry baby and she knows food's about. She does not sit still. So fingers crossed these work for me. I've seen the ideas on Pinterest, so Pinterest mums, help me out. And then picked up this Mountain Dew All Dew No Sugar. Oh, this is nice. Do you know what this reminds me of? Being at uni, my husband would drive 2 hours most weekends, and when he stopped off at the service station he'd always pick me one of these up. So this is a little bit of nostalgia, and I'm actually including them in his Father's Day gifts. Then picked up my trusty old Aquafresh. You know me, that is the brand that I'll only use for my teeth. I think my teeth are quite sensitive to toothpaste, and this one, to be fair, the McLean's one was fine, but I absolutely cannot use Colgate. So yeah, I picked that up and I believe that was £1. I also picked up this massive baby bath. This was £2.25 for 750ml, which I think is really good. I quite like it's got a pump top as well. We get through baby bath like nobody's business in this house with having Lily, so I thought that was a really good price for the size, and of course it is Johnson's and it's no tears, so perfect for a little girl. This 30-day mascara kit in dark brown. If you watch my savings video you'll see that I picked up the black one. I'm going to use the black one for my lashes, but I'm planning on using this one for my eyebrows. So if any of you guys know if this isn't okay to use on my eyebrows, then please let me know down in the comments, because I'll be doing it next week. So It'll be fine, I'm sure it'll be fine. Yeah, so in dark brown, because basically I'm just getting lazy. So I start work at 8 o'clock, and because Lily is probably 2 or 3 times a night, I'm knackered in the morning. So I've been getting out of bed at 7:50, so I have 10 minutes to get ready sometimes and get on Teams. You can imagine the rush of trying to put mascara and things on. So my plan is, if I just dye my eyebrows and have some tinted eyelashes, then I'm good to go. Like, it takes me 10 minutes now, so it'll literally take me 2 minutes. I'll just have to put a top on, brush my teeth, and I'll be there. So yeah, got those for £2.99, and you get 12 applications in there as well. The next thing I picked up was this keepsake hanging handprint. This was £3. I'm whispering because my husband's come back in, and this is part of his Father's Day present from Lily. So yeah, I just thought that was nice. I did have a go at doing this with her. I'm not gonna lie, it took us about 20 minutes to try and get it right, but hopefully he likes it. I then picked up this travel pouch. This was £3, so it's just like a big makeup bag really. Oh, it says you can organise your documents, medication, cosmetics and travel accessories. Well, of course you can, you put anything in there that you like, right? So yeah, that was £3. My plan is for this to put all my flannels in it. So at the moment my flannels are chucked into a basket with my skincare, and I have to rummage through about 10 flannels to get to like my niacinamide and my moisturiser, which just annoys me when I'm like half dead at night. I'm like a zombie, I get so tired. So that would make my life a little bit easier, and £3 to make my life easier I'm willing to spend. I just love the print as well. I just think it's really fresh and nice. So yeah, happy with that. Picked up these microfiber pro clean cloths for glass and windows. Lily loves to touch the windows. If she's having a bit of a moment or a bit of a mare, then we tend to take her to the back door because she likes to look outside, and obviously she puts all her fingerprints over the glass. So I just picked these up to wipe them off, and they were £1.69. Jay from My Type of Organise always recommends the green ones from Home Bargains. So if you have got Home Bargains near you, maybe go and pick some of those up, because those are cheaper than these, but these were just the ones that I could get, so I'm going to give those a go. I then picked up my trusty old Comfort Creations. This one is in Cherry Blossom and Sweet Pea. This is a new one for me. I've not seen this before. I went to a bigger B&M though, so they had loads more choice. If you watch my Come Shop With Me video, I don't know what's going to be up first. I think the Come Shop With Me will be up first. Then you'll see like the full range that they had. And to be honest, I got a little bit excited. That's sad, isn't it? But I do like having a choice. It was so embarrassing trying to film though, because the workers were putting all the stuff out, and it was really busy in the store. I was getting some right strange looks, but hey, we will do it for the YouTube. This one smells nice. What I find about the Comfort Creations is they're really strong compared to like the normal softeners. So yeah, I recommend these, and yes, the packaging is stunning. So yeah, £1.99 for that, and I just thought, well, treat myself, eh? That one's for me. I then picked up this bold gel to go with my Comfort. Again, I like the packaging. This is in Sparkling Bloom and Yellow Poppy, which has a nice fragrance, isn't it? Well, actually, because I was so embarrassed because I was filming, I didn't smell any of the fragrances in the store. So let's give this a first impressions. Oh, I can't smell it. Oh, there's a bubble. Oh, that is nice. That is nice. Yeah, you'll know if you watched my Savers video, it was the first time I tried using gel in the washer, and I'm totally converted now. It's so much easier to use gel than it is powder, so I'm a convert, and for £3.50 you get 24 washes. I then picked up this tanning mitt because with being in lockdown I've not managed to pick one up, and this is the Velvotan Original Tanning Mitt double-sided. I like the colour of it, of course, and it was £2.99, and it says, yeah, double-sided. I think £2.99 is pretty expensive for tanning mitts. I feel like tanning mitts have gone up in price. I swear I used to be able to get them for 99p, and now I can't get them any cheaper than £3. But hopefully it lasts. It does say it's machine washable, so fingers crossed it works for me. Some sellotape, so you get 5 rolls in here for £1, which is so cheap, I thought. Maybe I don't know, I was going to say maybe there's not much sellotape on each roll, but there seems to be an alright amount, to be fair, for £1. Yeah, I picked that up because we just ran out, and trying to wrap well, I'll say trying to wrap gifts without sellotape. You can't wrap gifts without sellotape. So yeah, I picked that up. I then picked up these Schwartz 2 seasoning packs. These were 59p each. This one is in the Cajun marinade mix, and this one is in the smoky Texan marinade mix. I like to throw these on meat, so chicken, pork, anything like that, but also I do like to throw them just on potatoes as well and put them in the oven. And also if you put them on like beans, like kidney beans, and if you mix that in with like onion and like roasted veg and chuck some of this on and pop them in the oven, absolutely delicious. So yeah, recommend using seasoning packs like that. Not tried these two, but I can't imagine that they're going to be bad. So, oh, and apparently they're 4 to 6 servings. Do you know what? Normally when you buy these seasoning packs, there's like a little bit down here, but yeah, these do feel like pretty full to the top. So yeah, 59p I think is pretty good for those. Picked up this Harpic toilet cleaner in Pink Blossom. Again, packaging drew me in, and we just needed to pick some up, and that's only £1, so just pick that up whilst there. Oh, camera just cut out on me there. But yeah, I was talking about this, and I'm just going to give it a go and see if it works, because I feel like the rug downstairs is getting a little bit, we have a dog and she lies on it, so if you've got a pet, you know what it's like. It just needs a freshening up. And this cost £3.99, so I really hope this works, because that's quite, I feel like that's quite expensive, £4 for a cleaner. We do get 600ml, so hopefully it will last a while. That's everything for this video. I really do hope you enjoyed it. It was kind of weird going back into B&M, and it was a little bit stressful, to be honest, because it was just so busy and I didn't want to touch my face, and I was trying not to touch different products, but it was okay. I think it's just getting used to that different environment. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more hauls and bargain type videos, definitely subscribe, because I do them every single month, and you can go and check some more of those types of videos out over here. Give this a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye, and thank you so much for watching.